So I just finished filming a podcast video with Mia and the Personal Learning Network, and ang dami palang horror stories ng mga freelancers pagdating sa mga clients nila, no? Although, one thing that really stands out is yung fear natin of not getting paid. Doon ko naisip, okay, I have been trying out this website to receive payments from clients, and I just wanna quickly do a recap of ano na mga ba yung na-experience ko so far. One of the most common question that I get is, para po ba tong WISE? Yes, para siyang WISE, pero mas mababa ang fee. And when I talk about fees, I wanna just show this to you real quick para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea ano nga ba yung difference niya sa WISE and other apps as well. Point of reference tayo, kapag sa WISE, magsisend ng money, $1,000, ang marireceive ng recipient is $53,719.71. Ito yung fee breakdown niya. So, meron siyang fixed fee ng $1.17 plus yung variable fee niya, which is $53.38 USD, which is 5.61%. While if ang gagamitin naman ni client is Parallax, sa $1,000, ang marireceive mo is 56,259.07. That is because yung live exchange rate nila is super close kay Google. $1 is 56.77. And ang pinakang fee lang nila, please take note na meron lang silang one fee. Ang factor nito because they only take one transaction fee rather than may conversion fee, withdrawal fee, and other cross-border fees pa na hindi natin usually nanonotice sa ibang payment platforms. So alam mo yun, one of the things that I think key factor here would be, at this point Parallax appears as a US bank account to the client rather than a payment platform that the client needs to log into. And then, I think isa pang malaking factor para sa atin naman as receivers ng payment is that isa lang yung transaction fee. So, wala ng conversion fee, withdrawal fee. That's the only fee that is taken out of our pay. Now, I did get a comment there. Sabi nila, nag-withdraw sila nung Friday via Upwork, and then iniintay pa rin nila. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days daw. And just want to remind everyone that just like Wise and all other payment platform, yung pag-receive natin ng payment sa US bank account natin, which is provided na ni Parallax, is always dependent on the source of yung funds. So if you're considering using Parallax, another thing that you might want to consider, lalo na kung direct clients kayo, is to remind them that pagka ang ginamit nila na source of funds is ito yung pinakamabilis na makakarating sa inyo yung account. Ganon din sa ibang platforms. The only difference is that napakababa nung fee niya versus other platforms. And for me ang laking factor nun, ang biruan nga namin ng mga VAs ko before was that yung fee is katumbas na ng isang sakong bigas. I'm really glad that I bumped into Parallax because now, at least, I am confident that I am getting the most out of my money na pinaghirapan ko. If you guys haven't signed up, all you have to do is go to the link in my bio. So, i-click nyo lang yan. Pagkatapos, dadalhin na niya kayo sa tamang tao. Charot. Dadalhin niya kayo dito sa page na to. Scroll nyo lang pataas. Pagkatapos, makikita nyo na recommended sites, apps. Click nyo lang Parallax. Pagkatapos, dadalhin niya kayo sa website ng Parallax. You can click on try it for free or pwedeng i-check nyo kung ano yung chinek ko kanina. Makikita nyo din dyan. Pagkatapos, after signing up, pwede kayong mag-sign up via Google or pwedeng gamitin nyo yung email niyo. Bahala na kayo. Don't forget to use my code LoggyMary para alam nila na galing kayo dito sa video na to. Oh, one thing that I also forgot to mention, isang bagay na-experience ko lang recently is napakabilis mag-reply ng customer service nila. Like, it's so personalized and I love it. Tapos, syempre, dahil chikadora tayo. Nakita ko hiring din sila ng CS. So, if you guys are interested, I'll just add this sa list ng hiring na nakikita ko dito sa profile ko. So, as usual, punta lang ulit sa link sa bio ko. Click nyo lang yon. Pagkatapos, in any case na hindi nag-work, pwede nyo i-copy and paste yun sa browser. Pero pagka ini-browse nyo hanggang sa baba, free resources, job op, hiring, makikita nyo na dyan yung listahan ng lahat ng hiring na nakita ko, including Parallax. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!